Hi, this is Kara from Jingying Machinery. Now I will introduce our hydraulic sand making machine for you. This is one kind of sand making machine. The inside structure just it's similar to the impact crusher. But it has one hydraulic open equipment to. There is one hydraulic equipment. This part it can help you to open the machine, and change the spare parts inside the equipment. For this side of sand making machine, there is a sieve below the machine, under the machine. There is a sieve, the screen under below the machine, at the bottom of the machine. So you can get the discharge size according to your demand. As that you want to get a size below 10 millimeters, so then let me know. I will let our engineer to design the output size or design the mesh size to 10 millimeters, so that you can get the crushed size by this sand making machine below 10 millimeters. Do you understand me? Let's see around. The model is 1000 sand making machine.